Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Today we're tackling one of the most complex topics in our industry: how to get a CE mark for an AI medical device under the EU Medical Device Regulation, or MDR. The rise of artificial intelligence in medtech is revolutionary, but it introduces unprecedented regulatory challenges, especially in Europe. The MDR was not inherently designed for adaptive, data-driven technologies, creating a complex path to compliance. The first and most critical step is classification. Under the MDR, most AI-powered software, particularly tools for diagnosis or therapy, are classified as Class 2A or higher. This classification automatically requires the involvement of a notified body for conformity assessment. For instance, an AI algorithm that analyzes radiological images to identify potential tumors would likely be Class 2B, depending on the directness of its diagnostic claim and the risk to the patient. Compounding this, the new EU AI Act runs in parallel to the MDR. This means most AI medical devices are also deemed high risk under the AI Act, creating a dual compliance burden where your technical documentation must satisfy two different overlapping sets of regulations. This brings us to the technical documentation, which is where many innovators face significant hurdles. Regulators need to see far beyond your final output. You must meticulously document the entire life cycle of your algorithm. This includes the sourcing, labeling, and management of the datasets used for training, validation, and testing. It is crucial to prove that your data is unbiased and truly representative of your target patient population in Europe. For example, a company developing an AI for diabetic retinopathy screening faced major delays because their training data was sourced predominantly from one ethnic group. This raised valid questions from the notified body about the algorithm's accuracy across a diverse European population. You must also address the black box problem. You need to explain the logic of your AI, detailing its architecture, key parameters, and the robust validation methods used to ensure its safety and performance. Furthermore, the MDR raises the bar for clinical evidence. For an AI device, you must demonstrate both analytical validity, meaning the algorithm works correctly from a technical standpoint, and clinical validity, proving it delivers meaningful and safe clinical outcomes for patients. Post-market surveillance, or PMS, is also not a static process for AI. You must have a proactive plan to monitor the device's performance in the real world. This is especially critical if the algorithm has the capacity to learn or adapt over time. Consider an AI tool that provides real-time guidance to surgeons. Its PMS plan must actively collect data on surgical outcomes and any instances of incorrect guidance, feeding this information back into the risk management file to ensure continuous safety. Navigating the dual landscape of the MDR and the AI Act demands specialized expertise in both software validation and clinical regulations. This is precisely the challenge Pure Global is built to solve. We offer end-to-end regulatory consulting, combining deep local expertise with advanced AI and data tools to streamline this entire process. From developing a regulatory strategy that addresses both MDR and AI Act requirements, to compiling the complex technical dossier and managing the submission to the notified body, we provide a clear pathway to market access. If you are developing an innovative AI medical device and want to enter the European market efficiently, we can help you navigate the path to CE marking. For more insights, feel free to email us at info@pureglobal.com or visit our website at pureglobal.com.